Among the buildings that we have gone through, as far as fire drill is concerned, this was one of the best that we have seen so far.
And of course, through the leadership of Captain Tan, everything went right here. So, my message here is keep it up. Next year, we'll see each other. And knowing you guys, you will be more participating in all the other activities. Maraming salamat po.
One of the building na magaling mag-conduct ng party, organized. And so far, sa mga na-witness ko mga nag-drill, ito lang yung building na mayroong fire brigade ang bawat floor. So, napaka-effective po nun in control yung fire. Okay, congratulations po.
So, regarding po sa ating fire drill, napakaganda po na pinakita natin. Good job. Also, yung pag-handle po ng patient, parang kaka-training lang kagahapon, fresh na fresh pa, tamang-tama yung transport, yung care ng patients natin. Plus yung mga nurses po, mabibilis din po kumilot. So, good job. Para po tayong nanonood lang ng pelikula, napaka-eksakto po ng lahat ng timing ng lahat.